Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're just going to play with a scrap room page kit. Looks like I have not used this one before. So this is the Simple Vintage Love Story by Simple Stories. I've got myself and Rob when we went to Vegas. So I feel like we could just use all three of these tags. Let's just knock that out right away, right? We'll just do a quick little trim here. We'll just shear these up. We'll just go ahead and use these guys, because I feel like, yeah, that's what I want to do. And one more. We will scuff the edges up. I want to do some mixed media because I've been a mixed media person all weekend long. So I'll just punch the hole. And come back and do this. I know I was using that one kit, but I haven't really been excited about that collection anymore. Was that the Simple Stories, like Family Game Night or something? Yes. It's still sitting right next to me. All right. What do we have? All right, we have some cardstock and cream walnut. We have that piece. That piece, and that piece. Oh. Everything wants to be fuzzy cut. What are they? Oh, no. Okay. All right. Those are way too busy. Let's go ahead and go with these, and we'll use the cardstock as our base. Because I don't know why. I'm just thinking that that's probably the best course of action. All right. I have no rhyme or reason for what we're doing here. We're just going for it. Alright, so we're going to cut that to a 12 by 12. What size is this? Alright, so let's trim this down a little bit so I can use that piece right there as like very fun mat. Let's see, did I like guesstimate any way, shape, or form? Pretty darn close. We're gonna go with it. It's all about using the stuff up. I don't remember where those pieces came from. I just found them in another video, so we're going to use them. So we've got this. What if we take, let's do a, let's move these over here. So with this one, let's do an 8 by 10 square. Okay, and then this one, let's do 9 by 12. this one, we will do 8 by 10 as well, because I have some ideas. All right. So let's do this one, and then this one. Maybe drop that one there. Or do we want... Maybe not that one at all, huh? So we'll put that one, and then we'll put us right there. I'm digging it. Okay. So before I lose focus of that, I'm going to go ahead and stick that down. I'm going to ink the edge with black Distress ink. All right, we got that down. I've got these tags. I'm going to pop up on some foam. I'm going to put this one here. We're going to do like a little bouncing tag line, right? So 2 of them, we're going to pop the tops up. This one's just going to go straight down. Let's get those like that. Then we have this whole fun sheet. I am going to do we want this. I do kind of want this up here. Forever Love is going to be the title here. Because he is my forever love. So. And I am labeling or layering it over that. So we get a little true love. Let's put this guy here. I might just use stickers on this one, right? That one up there. The pink one right there. Butterflies, that is. We'll put a blue one over here. See that there. Do a little unforgettable. That's what you are. Just you and me. I feel like there should be one more of these. Don't you guys think? Maybe not. Alright, so Robbie's going to come talk. I'll be right back. Alright, so I've got this here, and then we've got a little happily ever after. I'm going to put right here. You guys, outside of that, I think we're going to call this a successfully completed layout. And I still have enough left over to make 1 or 2 more pages. So I didn't even touch this, but I did really break into that sticker book. I wonder if there is anything. What do you guys think? Maybe we just kind of pop in here and look. I'm just afraid that Robbie's going to start talking. So he has a tendency. Oh, that says December. That will work because we were there in December. That's cute. That is so stinking cute. Okay. Alright. And the other thing that I want to do is put these right here, cover up those holes, and that is going to do it. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I will see you later with another video. Bye for now.